group and
Yes.
others like them, and you fear what they are capable of doing to society. My question to you, what do you believe the Commission can do to address your fear or to stop your fear from being realized?
Commissioner, at this stage, I am frustrated with the legal process that, especially with this incident and others preceding it, and others that may follow it, with the judicial process that's taking place. These offences, these crimes are well documented. The whole world knows of this, but there's no action being taken against these individuals. I mean, my incident where I'm physically involved took place in 2022. It's to a point that I am having to do my own security as well. I'm having to do PERSEC runs, OPSEC runs, just to ensure that myself is safe, my clients are safe, because they might even target your clients.